Komiti mar thieth e od bura mar Senate koro jiwo sirikand kaonti ma Nakuru mondo meda ndiko jochiw thieth ka gilero ni nok mag jolony e ute thieth medo hinyo ngimagi. Komitino manolimo od thieth mar Rufaa mar kaontino kotelnegi kod Senator ma Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago opako tich maber matend kaontino timo e temo chiwo thieth makare ne jo Nakuru kod aluora mare. Jotelogo kata kamano oyuago achiedhnade mathoth ma ute thieth mag counties kaloe mamonogi chiwo thieth e yo makare kamoting'o nok jochiw thieth thuolo matin e ute thieth e kind weche mamoko. Kaunti ma Nakuru bende ojiwo mondo oket kit teko mar sola mondo omigi yot e chenro maggi.
The specializations are so many, so you need every specialist for every area. And that is why the wage bill for health is always very high. In spite of that, we cannot efficiently deliver quality health care without human resource. So we are also asking the county government of Nakuru to put measures in place to ensure that we increase the number of staff that work in this facility, particularly now that SHA and F5, the F5 Act is in place.
You can see up here that there are certain sections, we have got asbestos, and we have told them that there is a government department under NEMA. They have already recruited about 15 companies that are going to remove these panels off our roofs. Our job as a Senate is to encourage and tell the government that they need to run as fast as possible because, you know, asbestos is cancer causing and yet it is being used in a hospital. You can see the contradiction of that.